Amari does a lot of things for the views that works for her. So when the situation with Seven Lord and Amari and the police and this and that, I was not shocked because this is Amari. But Amari, what I am upset with you about, I know that you're working and this is your way of working. But what I am upset with you about, it is not right for you to leave him in Bahamas without no money, nowhere to stay, no food, no plane ticket. Why did you do that? Why did you went that far?
Was it right for your man to screw your daughter and you still let him back in the house? Tell me.
You see, if we're going to do this,
was it right?
If we're going to do this, you have to bring
my money and gave
remember, if you're going to do this, you have to bring proof.
Was it right? No, you talk.
Listen to me.
Was it right? Did I ever help you in life?
No, bitch. I'm a study
when you told me your story, I believe
let us
deal with this accordingly, bitch.
No,
when you told me your story about your man being locked up for screwing your daughter,
you understand? You're a fucking bitch, and you're gonna get what
to fly out your daughter to Florida.
You will get what coming to you.
Thinking all
motherfucker, you take these young
right
people
that you still
and you told them what to say.
Your blood clot
you understand? Honey, I can't stay here with this dog.
Fuck out of here. You know your dirty life, you stinking honey bitch. I'll fuck you up. I'll fuck you up, bitch. Come up online. Let me spitting out your dirty, stinking mouth. Bitch, didn't I call you from Jamaica to help me? Didn't I blood clot call you to help me? And you're going like you're not blood clot, no. Let me catch you, bitch. And this for your blood clot. I sting me did one catch your bomber clot pan. I sting me did one catch you pan. You never know, so me not gonna show up on your blood clot. I want to your oring, bitch.
Amari, nobody can diss Mari. You know Amari?
Fix my eyelash, yeah. Come ready for this rascal clash. But come to my title. When you say you have a TikTok queen, TikTok whore, who the fuck you are deal with? In TikTok whore? I want to that sour pussy, big pussy girl. I want to you. You know things that my man teach me off of course, big pussy whore?
Thank you, Eddie. Mari, you don't know something go on the
see I come me swallow enough for Seven Lord and come juice. I'll fuck you up, bitch, with lyrics. Because now me having blood clots lyrics. You think so now my man dead? I'll fuck you all up. You think so with that relationship dead? Me get no fuck. So me fuck you all up now.
Mari, me I tell you something. You don't know so one night you should have on the live with seven baby lord, right?
Yeah.
Say, Blinga, oh you going like you look baby lad and you know
the blood clot, Vani!
She mash up
Vani! What you do, Vani?
I saw it is sweet. So me I say, oh you want take Mari man and you force me for
but me man no want that the sour pussy girl. Pussy all woman where have a blood clot put on filter. And somebody thinks that you're somebody. You always want to be me, bitch. After your pussy not clean like mine. You run in a New York like how the people them did march around the walls of Jericho. And then you come on blood clot TikTok and go on like you're somebody.
No, Vani, she can't disagree.
How the blood clot you deal with? I'll fuck you up, bitch, in a real life.
Why Blinga come start it? Me call her for your interview and she come and this the woman.
Yeah. No, let me tell you something. That bitch always wanted to be me.
Blinga, you know. Me call Blinga to have a little court to talk to Mari.
Ivany, if me did call you from Jamaica, if me did call you from Jamaica, when my man friend thief my bank card, me sure you that he'd help me. Me help Miss Blinga, me call her and show her say my man friend thief my black bank card.
Mari now.
No, Blinga's never diss her.
Roger, yeah, me not pick up for nobody. The woman this Mari a while ago. That's what Mari. Blinga did I get attitude.
Let me tell you, as a blogger, you're not supposed to instantly figure out say me wrong. Me hear her over YouTube say me wrong for letting. him. You don't blood clot say him run to take my green card.
Mary, some
You don't blood clot say him run to take my ID.
And I said she not like how she left her.
You don't blood clot say him run to beat me up.
Blinga asked a question. So why she left him in the Bahamas? That's what she asked.
You should ask me if I
But
left
Mari
him.
replied and said
You
something
should
and said
ask
this.
me if I left him.
No, Raja,
Don't
it's
assume
not
that
that.
it is true.
What Blinga was saying, me not pick up
Ask me.
nobody, Raja. You see what?
But that's what she did. She asked you the question.
No,
She
you
asked
see
you the
how-
question.
no.
That's not no question. That's an assumption.
You see how the way
That's
of
not
Blinga
no
asked the
fucking
Raja?
question.
The way
Let's
of
come
Blinga
back online.
question,
You say you're TikTok
Mari
queen.
got
Get the
upset.
fuck over here.
The way Blinga asked the question, Mari got upset. But you know why Blinga should make it sound like in the pan several outside? Because several
Exactly. You're a blogger. You supposed to lay the floor open and let the audience decide. But you coming at me right away. With the blood clot, you coming at bitch. You fuck up my career with Kemal McGregor. Everybody you fuck up my career with. I'll fuck you up, Blinga.
She know a fun and joke. She should have just continue like what me I do and does. You understand? Because it's all entertainment. But Blinga look like it's a real quote she come out. I'm not gonna call her for the interview.
Tell her to come. Tell her, bring her back.
You go come because she
Bring her back.
in a drama. I no want Blinga.
Lesbian bitch.
Blinga, we done you too, you Mari. Blinga said she we done you.
That who? After Blinga don't know because Blinga don't know because RT Obianaga brings you through workless woman. Go look about your 5 pitney them. And that if you got blood clot do.
Mari.
Your daughter go a shop. Cause you say
Mari, you have a Amari.
CPS say.
My question to you.
The CPS say once the man in the house, your daughter cannot live there. And you tell me, Amari, me send her go a shop every minute cause I want her to run where? Eh? And me turn round and buy tickets for you.
Where?
After she. And buy phone for her. And buy clothes for her. Cause you tell me say you can't get her to come to Florida. If she have new clothes, new hairstyle and phone. And the dirty Mari help you stinking all over.
Mona Lisa, Blinga tell several lads said don't take the ticket go to Jamaica because she gonna look for him in a Bahamas. And that's why I'm not going to come away from Blinga. Blinga flying tomorrow. And Blinga buy a ticket for go to Panama. Me I tell you the truth now.
No, me been no.
Blinga buy several ticket for go to Panama and at several depending where you go to Panama and that's why Blinga try carry feelings because she take several for
Mari, get a feeling. Mari, give me a chance, Amari. Amari, give me a chance. Because if Blinga want your man, Blinga take your man, Mari.
She not gonna get him.
But she don't want.
Get him, you just have somebody else to use.
Mari, Blinga don't want your man, Mari.
If you want take him, he was not man.
You don't want him. She don't want him.
fight for him. You think
I
the blood clot know me value?
Mari.
Me not go fight for him.
But Blinga's value every day, yo.
Mari, you're celebrating.
Don't care, go on. I'm about the music. Go on with him,
Mari.
take him.
Mari, several
Remember say me take him from another woman, so take him.
Mari, several don't even have a hit song. Them the boy that can't size up to you. Everybody know DJ Lee Mona Lisa from Facebook.
Everybody.
YouTube.
You understand? If you want to fly out and left our people.
But Vanny people know Blinga more than Mari.
Go ahead.
Mari,
You
when
don't
you
fuck
know
me more than in a Bahamas.
Vanny Blinga know more people than Mari. More people know Blinga's than Amari. Blinga's bigger than Amari.
Mari have hit song on YouTube. You know see how Mari lick off Queenie face for song. Mari lick off Blinga face. You know go watch.
You're mad. You're mad.
Lick Queenie in her face.
You're mad.
Mari licked Obiaman. Where Obiaman near Mari RT. You know see how she licked down RT from blood clot interview and box off RT face. You know see when Blinga.
No man, Blinga bigger than Mari.
You know see when
And your
Queenie
pussy
face,
bigger than
Queenie
mine.
face. And that me I show you.
Blinga bigger than Mari.
Queenie
I agree.
on stage. And then Mari daughter run in, come defend Mari on stage. The police have to escort them out. Mari the biggest thing in a dance hall. No pussy test.
Tell her to come back. Tell her to come back. I told the boy no worth nothing else. Mother fight for him. But he not worth it. Because my problem. I'm mixed up. I'm betrayer. I'm lied. You understand? Me not fight for people like that. But what the fuck you gonna do when me step out with my man? Where the fuck you gonna
Mona Lisa. Mona Lisa.
Me don't want no man with no pitney and
Mona,
no mix
Vani, why you
and
try to
mother.
put Mari in and Blinga's shoes? What the blood clot you do?
Listen, yo. Hey, and I make Blinga too important.
Are you too bright and
if you're
safe?
talking to me, talk to me about the man when me fuck. Blinga didn't want to fuck me. Me never fuck Blinga. So talk to me about the man. I don't want her to be attacked.
Mari, Maka Diamond did I talk to them say your hit song them can't compete with fear.
That's just say. And that's say. Maka Diamond elbows me. You understand? Me don't know no competition. And me could never compare myself to Maka Diamond. Because Maka Diamond fucking legendary. You understand? So
Blinga's blood clot legendary, Mari. What you mean? Blinga's legendary.
I'm not going to take you off of my life.
No, wait.
Because listen, I don't want to talk about people with no class or integrity.
No, you can't Blinga's a
all right, come with something.
That's my friend.
You have a show right so make you woman jump in. Papa Diamond, where did I say about Mari? Because Mari, me go show you every day. Woman narrate you. I mean, I tell you.
No matter to me, no, me never come here.
So afraid of Maka. I Blinga's friendship. She's afraid of Maka. Maka have a secret.
No, she respect Maka.
No, Mari always and me always good. Me don't know war. Me don't know about the war then.
So them don't even know say me meet Maka Diamond in person.
Like Eric Morgan sang them better. I have a question. Do you think